Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for Chevy's 1973 to 1987 K10 and K20. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. With a 12mm socket, remove the clips located on the inner part of the frame. With a 15mm socket, remove the brake line bracket. Step 3. On the bottom of your center forward frame section, our part features a perforated plate to fit over the end of your transmission crossmember. If you choose to remove this plate, do it at this time. If you decide not to remove this plate, use a 16mm socket and wrench to remove the bolts retaining the transmission crossmember. Step 4. Spray the work area with a weldable primer to help prevent against rust development. Due to the frame rail not being completely straight, our part features a perforation you can cut on your frame section that allows you to meet the bend on your frame. Step 5. Slide the part onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Use a hammer to push it into place. Once in place, reinstall your transmission crossmember using a 16mm socket. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the center forward frame section into place before welding the part on fully. Step 6. Paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall the brake line bracket using a 15mm socket, clips with a 12mm socket, and transmission. Then you're done!